What's good, y'all? Second unboxing of the day. This package is from Cashmiier. Shout out my boy Cashmiier. I'm not gonna lie, my boy be making some very tough pieces. Y'all gotta go tap in. It looked like he went crazy with the care package. Hold on. First up, we got some shorts right here. I don't even think I've seen these yet. And I'll be looking out for everything he be posting. Cashmere on the waist, cashmere on the cargo pocket. Man, I'm not gonna lie, they like pajama cargos, like little elastic waistband too. I really fuck with these, bro. They like pajama cargos. Oh, and they got a drawstring. Nah, these are crazy, I ain't gonna lie. These kind of remind me of something I would have wore like as a kid, bro. And Solo sniffing them, he must like them too. Ain't that right? I heard y'all boys getting money over there. Boom. Here's how the shorts look right here. Don't mind my legs. I know they skinny. Hang. Nah, I fuck with these heavy. Hold on, let me look at them in the mirror. Nah, these shit's hard. Definitely something I would have wore as a kid. Boom. Next up, got this cashmere long sleeve. Cashmere tag on the back. Nah, this is tough right here. This is tough. And boom, I fuck with this shit. And this shit cropped at the bottom. Boom, little room for the wrist to show. So if I want to wear a watch, a little bracelet, you know what I'm saying, I can show it off. Boom, I really fuck with this shit. I'm saying I'll probably throw my little CBP chain with it. Oh boy, we really outside with it. Ain't it right, Solo? All right, next up we got this PSP shirt right here. As you can see, little PSP on the front. Can't go wrong with that. This was my favorite game console back in the day. If I had every single PSP, I had the PSP, I had the PS Vita, I had all them hoes. I had wasn't it like the PSP Go? I had all them shits, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Best portable game system, man. I ain't gonna cap. What's this? Oh, credit card skin. Bro, send me some credit card skin. I ain't gonna lie. Cashmere giving off some Supreme vibes. I'm not gonna lie. We getting all the little, you feel me? What's this? Oh, cashmere chain? Oh shit, I was just talking about shit. I might have to throw in the CBP chain, but we might have to throw both of them hoes on. Boom. Little cashmere chain on them, you feel me? Can't go wrong with that. I ain't gonna lie. Boom. We got this shit right here. Cashmere chain. Bing. And last but not least, we got these cashmere basketball shorts. They like some Adam Sandler type shit, you feel me? Cashmere on the bottom left leg. I'm not gonna lie, I should have unboxed these shorts yesterday, because I was definitely hooping and I didn't have no shorts. That's the unboxing, man. I appreciate this from Cashmere, bruh. He sent me some heat today. Shit, I could use this. You feel me? That's what the chain came in. Man, I ain't gonna lie, it's something that I want from Cashmere, bro. Yo, if y'all still got them belts, send me a belt, please. Please. Really need that belt, I'm not gonna lie. That belt is tough. If y'all don't know what belt I'm talking about, y'all should go to the page, check it out. You won't see what belt I'm talking about. Nah, that shit fire. But yeah, man, that's it for this unboxing. I will catch y'all boys in the next one. It's your boy Car Green, signing out. Peace.